Money drawings, drawing and coloring coins and notes. Welcome to the delightful world of money drawings, where we turn learning about coins and notes into a colorful adventure for our young artists. Picture perfect coin creations. Imagine having a magical canvas filled with coins of all shapes and sizes. In our first activity, picture perfect coin creations, you'll get to draw and color your favorite coins. Dive into a world of creativity as you bring these little money heroes to life with your artistic flair. Note nurturing art session. Next up, let's explore the enchanting world of notes with our note nurturing art session. Gather your crayons and markers to give life to paper bills. Draw faces, add imaginative landscapes, and turn ordinary notes into vibrant pieces of art. It's a session where imagination meets currency. Coin color splash. Get ready for a coin color splash. This activity is all about expressing yourself through the colors of coins. Grab your paintbrush and let the coins inspire a splash of colors on your canvas. It's a playful way to learn about different coins while creating a dazzling masterpiece. Bill Beautification Workshop. Join our Bill Beautification Workshop, where we transform ordinary bills into extraordinary works of art. Add patterns, draw characters, and let your imagination run wild. This workshop not only enhances your drawing skills, but also introduces you to the world of creativity within the realm of money. Treasure Map Adventure. Embark on a treasure map adventure, where you get to design your treasure map using coins and notes. Draw hidden paths, mark spots with special coins, and create a map that leads to your very own treasure trove. It's a thrilling journey of imagination with a touch of money magic. Colorful coin collage. In the colorful coin collage activity, you'll become a coin collector and artist at the same time. Cut out pictures of coins from magazines or printouts and arrange them to create a vibrant collage. It's a hands-on experience that introduces you to the diversity of coins in an artistic way. Imagination Station with Notes. Our Imagination Station with Notes is a drawing session where notes become the canvas for your imagination. Draw your dream world, create unique characters, and watch as your notes transform into whimsical scenes. It's a journey where the magic of imagination meets the world of currency. Immersive coin story. Illustrations. Let's step into the world of storytelling with our immersive coin story illustrations. As we share tales of coins going on exciting adventures, you'll have the chance to bring these stories to life through your drawings. Get ready to illustrate the magic and wonder of each coin's journey. Note: Origami Extravaganza. In our note, Origami Extravaganza, folding paper bills turns into a captivating art form. Learn the ancient art of origami as you transform notes into intricate shapes and animals. It's a mesmerizing experience that combines the tactile joy of folding with the creativity of turning money into mini masterpieces. Coin and Note Puppetry Showcase. Welcome to the Coin and Note Puppetry Showcase, where coins and notes become the stars of your very own puppet show. Create puppet characters using your drawn coins and notes and let them tell stories of their adventures. It's a delightful blend of art and performance that sparks imaginative storytelling. Money Maze Doodle. Challenge. In the Money Maze Doodle Challenge, get ready to doodle your way through a maze made entirely of coins and notes. Draw your path, add twists and turns, and make your way to the treasure at the end. It's a fun and interactive way to merge the world of drawing with the excitement of a maze adventure. Colorful currency puzzles. Engage your mind with our colorful currency puzzles. Draw and color different coins and notes, then cut them into puzzle pieces. As you put the puzzles together, you not only sharpen your problem-solving skills, but also gain a deeper understanding of the details of each coin and note. Money memory sketches. Challenge your memory with money memory sketches. Study different coins and notes, then sketch them from memory. It's a fantastic way to enhance your observational skills while creating a visual memory bank of various currencies. Watch as your sketches become a testament to your growing knowledge. Artistic Coin Rubbing Adventure. Our Artistic Coin. Rubbing Adventure introduces a tactile element to your drawings. Place a coin under paper and, using crayons or colored pencils, create vibrant rubbings. Feel the textures of different coins and observe the intricate details appearing on your paper. It's a hands-on exploration that adds a sensory dimension to your artistic journey. Collaborative coin mural. Join forces in the collaborative coin mural, where each young artist contributes to a grand mural featuring various coins and notes. Working together, you'll create a masterpiece that showcases the diversity of currencies, turning a blank canvas into a vivid representation of the world of money. Paper currency dress-up. In the paper currency dress-up activity, let your creativity soar as you design fashionable outfits using drawn paper bills. Create clothing, accessories, and even hats, turning ordinary notes into a stylish wardrobe. It's a delightful combination of art and fashion, bringing a playful touch to your money drawings. Coin and note mobile masterpiece. Craft a coin and note mobile masterpiece that dances with every breeze. Draw and color different coins and notes, then assemble them into a captivating mobile. Watch as your artistic creations sway and twirl, turning your space into an enchanting gallery of money-inspired art. Money-inspired story comics. Combine storytelling and illustration in the money-inspired story comics. Design comic strips that narrate the adventures of coins and notes, turning each panel into a vibrant scene. It's a creative endeavor that encourages storytelling skills while honing your artistic abilities. Hidden coin and note Pictionary. In the hidden coin and note Pictionary, take turns drawing hidden coins or notes while others guess what you're illustrating. It's a lively game that adds an element of mystery to your drawings, fostering creativity and laughter as everyone tries to decipher the hidden treasures. Currency collage storybook. Create a currency collage storybook by drawing and arranging coins and notes into a whimsical tale. Each page showcases a different part of the story, bringing your characters and scenes to life through the magic of collage. It's an imaginative journey that turns your money drawings into a captivating story. Money drawing exhibition. As you conclude your money drawings adventure, organize a money drawing exhibition to showcase your artistic achievements. Display your drawings, paintings, and crafts for friends and family, turning your space into a mini art gallery. Celebrate the creativity that flourished during your exploration of the world of money. Young artists, your journey through money drawings has been a splendid adventure of colors, imagination, and learning. As you share your artistic expressions, remember that each drawing tells a unique story, making the world of money even more enchanting and delightful.